again. So we are now on our third week. This will be from June 14 up to 18, Monday to Friday. So for this week, the first thing that we are going to do, which is on Monday, which is today, we're going to review all the previous lessons that we had, and we're going to have book activities using your Fly with English Pupils book. And the second thing that we're going to do on Tuesday is we are going to continue the book activities this time using your Fly with English workbook. And we will proceed to our quiz number 1 for our first unit. And third thing that we're going to do on Wednesday, we're going to proceed or go already with our unit 2. We're going to talk about clothes. Miss Faye will discuss new vocabularies, and we're going to have a sit work just like what we've been doing for the past weeks. So for the fourth one, on Thursday, we're going to talk about colors, new vocabularies, and sit work. And on Friday, we're going to review all the previous activities like the Unit 2, the clothes and colors. I'm going to discuss new vocabularies and we're going to answer book activities, which is using your Fly with English Unit 2. So now, today, week 3, Monday, we're going to review and we're going to answer book activities. Now, let's move forward to reviewing all the previous lessons. So this will be just so quick because we are going to answer the book. So I need to review you all from all the things that I've discussed. So first, the food, the fruit and vegetables, which is on your book, and article a and an, this and that, this and those. So now let's review about the food, fruit, and vegetables. So basically, Miss Faye will just read all the vocabularies that I gave to you from last week and from the previous lessons we had for the first week. So now this one: food, pear, lemon, lime, coconut, watermelon, tomato, vegetables, carrot, potatoes, onions, peas, and fish. So these are all the vocabularies that was in your book already. That's in your book rather. That's in your book already. So please take a look on it. So now for the article a and an, basically we use a for consonants. These are the B, C, D, F, G, H, J, and so on and so forth. And we use an for vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Alright, so for the next one, this and that. So we use this, the THIS, for near and singular. And we use that, the THAT, for far and singular. So do not forget, whenever it's singular, we use this and that. The difference is the other one is near and the other one is far. For the next one is this and those. The this, THESE, we use it whenever it's near and it's plural. The those, THOSE, we use it whenever it's far and it's plural. So this time, for plural, we use this and those, and the only difference is when it is near and it is far. Alright, so next one is our book activities. So please get your book, Fly with English Pupils book. So let's take note of these things, ready your pencil and your books, before you answer all the things that I'm gonna said on the next slide. Pause the video when Miss Faye told you to do so. Pause means stop. You can stop the video and you can answer. Alright? And then Miss Faye will check the book once you're back in school. Few reminders again. You can let your parents or guardians to check your answers using pencil, and I will check again once we're back. And you can always repeat the video if it's too fast for you, or Miss Faye is too fast. You can repeat the video, play it again, that's okay. And remember the vocabularies for today at the end of this video. So now let's start with Fly with English, Unit 1, page 9. Okay, are you there? Okay, here, listen and tick or cross. Listen to the audio carefully, listen carefully, and you just have to tick or cross whether it's correct or whether it is wrong, alright? Now let's listen. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Track 3. Listen and tick or cross. Number 1 is the example. Number 1.
What are these? Are they potatoes? No, they aren't. They're tomatoes.
Number 2.
These are peas. What are those? They're onions.
Number 3.
What's this in English?
It's a carrot.
And what's this?
It's a tomato, Mr. Lee.
Number 4.
What's that, Sue? It's a watermelon. And what's that? Is it a mango? No, it's a coconut.
Number 5.
What are those vegetables in English?
They're not vegetables, Sam. They're fruit. They're pears.
Pears. Thank you, Mr. Lee.
Number 6.
What's this in English, Bill? It's a potato. Is it a fruit or a vegetable? It's a vegetable.
Alright, so now let's move forward and answer this activity. If you did not get that, you can always, just like what I said, you can always repeat the video and go back. So let's answer. Let's listen again and Miss Faye will flash the answer.
Track 3. Listen and tick or cross. Number 1 is the example. Number 1.
What are these? Are they potatoes? No, they aren't. They're tomatoes.
Number 2.
These are peas. What are those? They're onions.
Number 3.
What's this in English?
It's a carrot.
And what's this?
It's a tomato, Mr. Lee.
Number 4.
What's that, Sue? It's a watermelon. And what's that? Is it a mango? No, it's a coconut.
Number 5.
What are those vegetables in English?
They're not vegetables, Sam. They're fruit. They're pears.
Pears. Thank you, Mr. Lee.
Number 6.
What's this in English, Bill? It's a potato. Is it a fruit or a vegetable? It's a vegetable.
Alright, now let's move forward to our next activity. So please open your book on pages 10 to 11.
Track 6.
And let's answer this numbers 1 to 6.
Track 6. Read and tick or cross. Number 1 is the example.
1. There are 2 girls in picture 1. 2. There is some milk in picture 2. 3. There is some water in picture 3.
4. The robot has got some lemonade in picture 4. 5. The lemonade is good for the robot. 6. Mr. Lee is happy in picture 6.
Alright, now let's answer it. Okay, number 1. There are 2 girls in picture 1. And that's wrong because we only have 1 girl in picture 1. Number 2. There is some milk in picture 2. And that's correct. Number 3. There is some water in picture 3. And that is wrong because we have here lemonade. Number 4. The robot has got some lemonade in picture 4. And that's correct. Number 5. The lemonade is good for the robot. Number 5, it is wrong because it says here, Mr. Lee, is lemonade good for the robot? And at the last picture, it shows that it isn't. Number 6, Mr. Lee is happy in picture 6. And that is wrong again because there's something wrong with the robot. Now, before we end this video, let me introduce to you our today's vocabularies. Clothes, trousers, shirt. Again, clothes, 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 trousers, 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 and the last one is shirt, shirt, shirt. Alright, so that's all for today, class. Thank you and goodbye.